A lot of our work happened in India in the initial years, and on a number of first-line and second-line HIV drugs, ARVs, we were successful in challenging those patents so that Indian generic companies could still continue to export them to African countries. For example, India supplies 80% of generic HIV medicines to African countries, and so that we were able to keep that pipeline open. And in a number of cases, our cases have actually lent themselves to creating leverage over the pharmaceutical company, such that they've struck licensing deals. So, for example, some of the challenges we've helped some of our colleagues in Ukraine, and now Ukraine is now included in the license as a result of that challenge. So the knock-on effect is to try and take away some of the power away from the pharmaceutical companies, where you threaten the very rights that actually allow them to have all that power. And so really it's about balancing the interests and making sure that the system's working for both sides. Unfortunately, I feel we've tilted far too much in the favour of the pharmaceutical companies, and that's why we're seeing the problems we're having today, where drug prices are going up astronomically, and unfortunately no one's able to really do anything about it, and that's why we feel our intervention is critical in terms of trying to redress some of those imbalances.